Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello ladies, especially y'all. I know why you're here. I wish I had this video like when I was a teenager, but that's why I'm here for you. Today we're gonna learn how we can get the smoothest bikini shave ever. I'm gonna help you sort out your bikini shaving area or intimate area, however you like to call it. I'm gonna be using words like vagina and vulva and hair and bum and pubic area. Okay, so like be prepared for that. So if you want to grab your bestie, if you want to grab your older sister, whoever you want to sit with and watch this video, trust me, you're gonna want this video because it changed my life. I recently watched Sam Ellis's video. She's also a dermatologist and she recently did a video on pubic area shaving. I watched it and game changer. So I was doing most of the steps, but I somehow in bits and pieces I always found myself to be very itchy. You know, whenever you shave that first growth, it's always so red and itchy and it's just so uncomfortable every time I shave that I just delay shaving. I like to keep my pubic area clean and neat and shaved. That's just a personal preference. I feel like our moms are so shy to talk about grooming and like anything sexual health, anything intimate health, that they just allowed us to figure it out. I think the 90s kids have just winged their entire teenage life figuring out everything on their own, but you don't have to because Mother Mals is here for you and I have figured it all out. I have went through the pain to now tell you what is the right thing to do. So yes, I followed Sam Ellis's routine of how to get the perfect smoothest shave and I tried it out. Okay, I got all the equipment, I tried to follow it as close as I could possibly do, and the method was top notch and I got the smoothest shave and it's day 3 now and zero itchiness. Zero. Smooth like butter, baby. There is no redness, no bumps, no ingrown hair. And I'm gonna link her video down. It's exactly what I'm gonna teach you today because I thought her method was flawless. But also, I'm gonna talk a little bit in Hindi. That's why I didn't just directly tell you to watch her video because I really wanted to break this down for my girls who speak Hindi. I'm gonna try my best. I'm not very well in speaking Hindi because it's not my first language, but we're gonna try. Okay, step 1, you're gonna need a trimmer. Okay, आपको trimmer की ज़रूरत है. ठीक है, and it's very important because if your pubic hair has grown to the max, मतलब कि एन इंच या क्वार्टर ऑफ एन इंच का लेंथ है तो आपको वो लेंथ काटना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, यू कैन टेक अ सिजर बट इट्स गोना बी वेरी डेंजरस टू टेक अ सिजर डाउन देयर. इट्स गोना टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, बहुत टाइम लगेगा, इसलिए एक ट्रिमर खरीद लो. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बाय अ ट्रिमर बिकॉज दिस इज लिटरली यू हैव वन 80% ऑफ योर बैटल बाय ट्रिमिंग द लेंथ ऑफ योर हेयर. I did not know that. So this changed the game for me. I'm going to show you how you have to trim your hair as well because that is also very important and I figured it out on my own. So you will cut the length, the maximum length of your hair and get as close as you possibly can. So that when you're shaving, you don't have to shave the rest of your length as well because your razor gets very clogged. Have you noticed when you shave long hair, it gets clogged and stuck in your razor and then the razor blades go blunt very soon. Okay, and there's a lot of dead skin cells that also gets accumulated in the razor and then that's what leads to ingrown hair and razor bumps and itchiness and stuff like that. So we have to start afresh. बहुत ही fresh तरीके से start करेंगे. तो आप एक ट्रिमर लेंगे. लॉर्ड प्लीज हेल्प मी टू स्पीक इन हिंदी. दिस इज माई आईब्राउ ट्रिमर. ओके, मैं ऐसे ट्रिम करती हूँ ब्राउ को एंड अपर लिप. यू विल चेंज द हेयर. ठीक है, ये साथ में ही आता है सो यू विल जस्ट चेंज इट एंड आप ये ट्रिमर अटैच करें. कैसे ट्रिम करना है वो भी मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी. सो फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, इफ यू हैव योर प्यूबिक हेयर ग्रोन टू इट्स मैक्सिमम लेंथ, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. tada, I'm an artist. बट हाउ एल्स विल आई शो यू. ओके, मैं इस पे दिखाऊंगी आपको. तो यहाँ पे आपका बिकिनी लाइन है जो मैं आपको बताती हूँ कैसे शेव करना है, लेकिन ये मेजर पार्ट जो है वो शेव करना है. पहले हम इसको ऑन करेंगे ऑफ कोर्स और ये ट्रिमर को नीचे की तरफ लेके जाएंगे. ओके, यू हैव टू ट्रिम इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ योर हेयर ग्रोथ, नॉट अगेंस्ट योर हेयर ग्रोथ. अगर ऐसे जाएंगे तो बहुत दर्द होएगा. I tried it. Don't do it. ठीक है, ट्रिमर ऑन करके नीचे की तरफ शेव करना ताकि सारे बाल आराम से ट्रिम हो सकता है. दिस इज़ अ वेरी पेनलेस प्रोसीजर. ये बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से बाल को निकल Oh my God. अच्छे तरीके से बाल निकल जाता है. So you want to trim all of that hair and it's just going to fall to the floor. You can go in and around as well. तो आप नीचे भी जा सकते हैं. You can go to the lips, which is the vulva or intimate area, and you're going to start trimming inwards because that's the direction of your hair. Be very careful. आराम से कीजिए. There is no rush. One thing I recommend is having a stool or a bench. Okay. in the shower. तो कहीं से भी आप stool ले सकते हैं. You can prop one leg on top, spread your legs a little to get easy access. पहले वो करेंगे, नीचे के तरफ trim करेंगे, go all the way, and you're gonna trim inside when it comes to the lips of the vagina. You know what I mean, right? बहुत धीरे से करेंगे and try to get as much as possible. जितना भी हो सके बाल को trim कीजिए. Once you've done that, honestly, the hair is cut down to like a stubble, you know, like a beard stubble. That's how you need your pubic hair to be when you want to shave your hair. पहले trim करना है. Step 1 complete. Step 2, shower के अंदर जाइए. Get into the shower, get into the bath and have your body bath as usual. जैसे भी नहाना है नहा लीजिए, सर का धोना है, wash your hair, put on your hair mask, clean your face. If you want to shave your hands and legs, keep a separate razor. दोनों separate razor रहेंगे. आपका pubic razor and आपका body razor अलग रहेगा, ठीक है? The reason to shave your intimate area towards the end of the shower is because your hair starts to swell and your skin starts to soften. Basically, it'll just be like warmth underneath and it'll start to loosen up instead of having like hard skin and hard hair. So it's easier and more comfortable to start like shaving down there. So that's the last step of your shower. Step 3, आप exfoliate करेंगे. You have to exfoliate your vaginal area. The reason why you use an exfoliating mitten and you exfoliate the vaginal area is because there are some dead skin cells, there's debris down there. It's very like moist and like sweaty half the time, right? So you want to make sure you're cleaning that area very well. और जो भी करेंगे बहुत आराम से करना because it's a very soft, delicate area. You want to treat it like a soft, delicate area. So you can use physical exfoliants. आप face exfoliator use कर सकते हो, but I don't recommend using any apricot scrub. I'm just gonna tell you directly what to do and you can try and follow that. What I took is my CeraVe hydrating cleanser. Okay, this is my facial cleanser and it's non-fragrant है ये, इसमें fragrance नहीं है, बहुत ही soft and mild face wash है ये, ठीक है? कुछ भी fragrant वाला लेंगे तो बहुत irritation होगा. So take non-fragrant facial cleanser, okay? और आप mittens लेंगे, exfoliating mitten that I found on Amazon. Amazon से मिलता है ये, there are bunch available. थोड़ा सा harsh है तो बहुत ही आराम से circular motion में exfoliate करेंगे आप, ठीक है? After washing your entire body, you want to take your cleanser, 2 to 3 to 4 pumps and you want to sort of massage it into the mitten. Okay, you have the cleanser, you want us to go in circular motions very gently. Lal ho sakta hai, it can go red because it's an exfoliating mitten, so very carefully do that. This takes a lot of time, okay? And then you want to go around, behind, go very gently everywhere and exfoliate it. When you're doing this, the debris, the dead skin cells sab nikal jata hai and it's a very clean surface to shave on, in short. Okay, that is why you exfoliate your face as well, because you want a cleansed skin to start your skincare with. Just think of it as that, okay? ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा important है करना, but if you shave very often, अगर आप बार बार shave करते हैं तो बार बार exfoliate करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. महीने में 2 बार exfoliate करना, ठीक है? अगर आपका बाल सबसे ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है नीचे, if your hair is grown to the maximum level, then exfoliate again. Okay, so make sure you're exfoliating lesser number of times. अगर आपका बाल का length कम है तो exfoliate करना इतना ज़रूरी नहीं है. Be very gentle and careful. You will know when you need to exfoliate, ठीक है? So make sure you're getting all of that out of the way. So you have trimmed your hair, you have showered your entire body, you have exfoliated your vaginal area. Step number 4. Let's get to the shaving. So for your shaving, she recommended that we use 1 to 2 blades on our razor. मैं body razor और intimate area razor दोनों मेरा same था, तो मैं वही use करती थी साथ में, which is a big mistake. Okay, and I learned it right now. So I'm telling you. And there are specific shaving razors that come in the market, very less, I'll be honest, but I found one. This is the Gillette Venus Bikini Sensitive Shaving Razor. This is the razor you need to get. इसमें खाली I think 2 blade है या 1 blade है. 3, 4 blade, 5 blade मत use कीजिए नीचे. बहुत sensitive area है. It can really cause a lot of irritation and friction. 1 to 2 blades is all you need. Just simply get this one. Step number 5, you will need a shaving foam. पता है आप साबुन use कर सकते हैं, बार तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं यूज़ कीजिए प्लीज़. सोप बार्स, ट्राई एंड यूज़ अ शावर जेल. फिर भी शावर जेल इज़ नॉट माई फर्स्ट रिकमेंडेशन. आई थिंक शेविंग जेल्स आर द वे टू गो. मैंने 2 शेविंग जेल मंगाए हैं. फ्रॉम दैट आई हैव चोजन माई फेवरेट शेविंग जेल एंड आई थिंक दिस इज द बेस्ट शेविंग जेल टू यूज़. द रीजन वाई वी यूज शेविंग जेल इंस्टेड ऑफ लाइक अ शावर जेल is because it softens the hair even further and gives it a nice like frothiness down there. It makes it soft, it's comfortable to glide the razor through the shaving foam foam instead of a shower gel. बहुत ही ज़्यादा tugging और pulling होगा if you use shower gel or if you use it in a dry area, बहुत irritation होगा. तो simply shaving gel खरीदिए, it is game changer for your intimate area shaving. मैंने Plush shaving gel लिया है, I got this one and it was not good. I did not like it a lot, I'll be honest. तो मुझे ये सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन you can use it, it's okay. I loved this one, which is the Gillette Satin Care. This was so good. It's for sensitive skin, shave gel with aloe vera. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा शेविंग जेल है. इट इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. यू कैन बी जेनरस विद योर शेविंग जेल बाय द वे, जितना हो सके डाल देना, नो प्रॉब्लम, एंड सॉर्ट ऑफ क्रिएट अ फोमीनेस अराउंड दैट इंटीमेट एरिया. ठीक है, यहाँ पे सारा आप लगाएंगे शेविंग जेल. Once you've applied your shaving gel, what you're going to do is take your razor. You're going to take your razor and you're going to shave in the direction of the hair growth. In a lot of shaving gel, I read the instruction, it says shave against the hair growth, which is not right. You will never shave against the hair growth. आपने ट्रिम किया हुआ है बाल, इसलिए ज़्यादा बाल नहीं होगा, लेकिन फिर भी आप रेज़र को नीचे के तरफ लेंगे, नॉट नीचे से ऊपर. बहुत ज़्यादा हार्श होगा उसके लिए. एंड दैट इज़ फॉर एनी बॉडी पार्ट. हाथ और पैर का भी सेम है, इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ हेयर. सो योर हेयर इज ग्रोइंग फ्रॉम अप टू डाउन, राइट? इट्स ग्रोइंग स्ट्रेट डाउन. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज टेक योर रेजर एंड शेव इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द हेयर. तो ऐसे धीरे धीरे से करके शॉर्ट स्ट्रोक्स में शेव कीजिए. डोंट बी हार्श और लंबे स्ट्रोक्स मत कीजिए, बहुत पेनफुल होगा. बहुत ही डेलिकेट एरिया है, तो बहुत धीरे धीरे एक एक इंच करके आराम से शेव कीजिए. बहुत टाइम लगता है पता है, बट दिस इज लाइक अ वंस इन अ मंथ थिंग. ओके, तो ऐसे ऐसे करके धीरे धीरे शेव करेंगे. और ये बिकिनी एरिया भी आप धीरे धीरे ऐसे अंदर की तरफ शेव इन, नॉट आउट. ओके, अंदर की तरफ शेव करेंगे. एंड यू कैन पुट योर लेग ऑन द स्टूल. स्टूल के ऊपर अपना पैर रखिए और धीरे धीरे शेव कीजिए. ठीक है. फॉर द लिप्स ऑफ द वजाइना, lips of the vagina is called the vulva. Okay, these lips, everyone has different, outie, innie, inside, outie, I don't know all of that, but you know the lips of your vagina. Now this is where the tricky part is. यहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा tricky है. आप अपना leg stool पे prop up करेंगे और आपका हाथ use करेंगे. ठीक है, you will use one hand and you will sort of like spread the skin. Okay, आप skin को spread करेंगे. It has to be nice and tight. ओके, तभी जाके आप शेव कर पाएंगे. डोंट लीव योर स्किन लूज. द लिप्स ऑफ द स्किन शुडंट बी लेफ्ट लूज बिकॉज इट विल कॉज अगेन लाइक रेजर बर्न्स एंड कट्स. ओके, तो अपना स्किन, यू वांट टू स्प्रेड योर स्किन एंड देन जस्ट शेव लिटिल बाय लिटिल. स्प्रेड अ लिटिल मोर, लिटिल बाय लिटिल. गो वेरी स्लोली व्हेन यू आर शेविंग द लिप्स ऑफ योर वजाइना. अगेन आप अंदर की तरफ शेव करेंगे, अंदर की तरफ, बाहर की तरफ नहीं. जिस डायरेक्शन में आपका बाल ग्रो हो रहा है उसी डायरेक्शन में आप रेजर को ग्लाइड करेंगे. ठीक है.
This is exhausting. This Hindi is very dangerous. Please don't cover my grammar if I'm wrong, okay?
I'm doing the work of many mothers here. I'm glad to do it. Alright, so you understood. Pull the lip apart, pull the skin apart and keep it tight and then shave it, and try to do it as much as possible. While you're shaving, I highly recommend keeping a mug like this, any sort of mugga. Get a regular mug and you want to shave and run your razor through it so it gets all the hair out. You know how those shaving dadas do in like shaving salons for men, they just run it like that through the cup. That's what you need to do. You can take it under the shower, but I realize the hair doesn't come out very easily from these blades. Okay, so you want to sort of run it through the blade and remove all the hair, and then you want to start shaving again, rinse it, again shave. So that's why you want to keep like a small little mugga in the bathroom as well. अगर आप अपने पीछे के तरफ शेव करना चाहते हैं, if you want to shave your butt area, again all you got to do is spread the skin, hold it, and you want to shave inwards. Now this is going to be slightly difficult. बहुत ही gently you want to shave inwards and get the hair out from the butt area as well. So that is it. You got all around your vag. You don't have to get every single hair. अगर आप miss भी करेंगे तो चलेगा. It's a learning process. It's a practice process. First couple of times are going to be difficult, and then eventually you're just going to know how to do it. So simply there are 5 steps. So step number 1 is you want to get a trimmer and shave the excess length of your pubic hair. Step number 2 is you want to get into the shower and have bath on the rest of your body. You want to keep the shaving as the last step of your bath routine. Step number 3, you want to take your facial cleanser or any sort of mild cleanser and your exfoliating mitten, and you want to exfoliate your pubic area, and then you want to rinse the water out. Step number 4 is you want to get your 1 to 2 blade razor ready to go. It's going to be a fresh razor, a fresh blade. Please don't use very old blades. इसीलिए बहुत nicks and cuts and itchiness होता है. हर बारी आपको लगता है कि आपको ब्लेड चेंज करना चाहिए, प्लीज चेंज कीजिए या नया रेजर लाइए. इट्स ओके. स्टेप नंबर 5 इज यूज योर शेविंग फोम. आई रेकमेंड दिस वन. गेट अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ शेविंग फोम. आप अप्लाई कर लीजिए एवरीवेयर, एक्सटर्नली, नथिंग गोज इनसाइड. कुछ भी चीज अंदर नहीं जाएगा, खाली बाहर रहेगा. ओके, नथिंग गोज इनसाइड. Shave towards the inside of your hair. That is basically it. Okay, all right, perfect. Now that you have your smooth bikini pubic area, you want to do a little bit of post care. Okay, once you have showered, you want to get out of the shower और अपने आप को पैट ड्राई करेंगे. ठीक है, पैट करेंगे, रब नहीं करना टॉवल के साथ, बहुत ही जेंटली पानी को अब्जॉर्ब करने देना टॉवल को. ठीक है. सो दैट लेडी recommended like an aftershave which I don't have and I don't want to use. So आप basic moisturizer use कर सकते हैं after patting dry. Okay, you can I take my Bioderma facial moisturizer because it's non-fragrant and it's very good for irritable skin and sensitive skin. So take any non-fragrant moisturizer. सिंपल में बहुत सारे मॉइस्चराइजर्स आते हैं. सेरावे है, बायोडर्मा है, सेबामेड है, बहुत सारी ब्रांड्स है. टेक 1 small little pea size amount and massage and moisturize that external part that you just shaved. Okay, बहुत ही जेंटली सब जगह डालना. यहाँ पे क्रीम, यहाँ पे अंदर की तरफ, नॉट इनसाइड, इन आउटसाइड द लिप एरिया ऑफ द वजाइना. And that is it. That is basically the post care. Okay, and then you want to sort of wear loose underwear, thoda loose underwear, not tight jeans right after that. Let it breathe a little bit. I'm telling you, like, this would have saved me 10 years of torture down there because, dude, it was so painful on a lot of days, and I just would not want to even shave. You know, I'm just like, this is going to lead to a lot of after problems. You might want to skip some steps. You'll be lazy, but don't do it. Mat kijiye. Set a timeout और एक दिन रखिए that I have to shave my pubic hair today. I need special bath time. Okay, so that's when you will do all these steps, and it's not a lot of steps, to be honest. The post effect of it is beautiful. मुझे लग ही नहीं रहा है कि मैंने बिकिनी शेव किया है. पहली बार जिंदगी में मुझे लग रहा है कि इरिटेट नहीं हो रहा है, इचीनेस नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं. इट इज सो स्मूथ लाइक अ बेबीज बम. ठीक है, इतना क्लोज शेव हुआ है, बहुत ही. आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर टू लाइक टीच यू हाउ टू डू दिस. डोंट स्किप एनी ऑफ द स्टेप्स. इफ यू स्किप एनी स्टेप ना, द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट आफ्टर. क्योंकि पहली बार तो हम शेव करेंगे, बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. आफ्टर दैट इट लीड्स टू इचीनेस, ड्राइनेस, ingrown hair, bumps on the inner side of your lips, and I've been through all of that. You don't want all that happening down there. तो सब step कीजिए. I'm telling you, it is worth it. 1 महीने का आराम से grow होएगा बाल. और if you want to shave in the middle, सारे steps follow करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. If you want to shave within a week or 2 weeks, again, skip the exfoliating again. Don't do that. All you got to do is take your shaving foam, put it and shave inwards. So yeah, that is basically it. I really hope you learned something new, and I hope you are gonna try this. If you do try this and you get the smoothest shave ever, let me know. Like, somehow DM me, leave it in the comment section below. Share this with your sisters, your best friends, your mamas, anybody who needs help in how to shave and has never known how to shave. I'm 31 and I just learned how to do it so beautifully. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I really hope I helped you in some way or the other. If you need help in anything, please let me know down below. If you want another video on something else that you're awkward to talk about, leave it down below and Mother Miles will get back to it. Signing off. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.